Good morning students. Today we are going to see about the topic of probability is one of the parts of data handling. See this sample space. What is sample space? The set of all possible outcomes. The set of all possible outcomes in a random experiment. The set of all possible outcomes in a random experiment is called a sample space. So it is denoted by the letter S. The letter S. For example, when you roll a die, the possible outcomes are the phase numbers. First ones, you roll one time, 1. Another one time, the outcomes 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 6. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 outcomes. So we will write here S is equal to, so it is that set. The set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Take and write here. The set of all. What is this 1 and 6? It is the outcomes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The set of all possible outcomes is called a sample space. That is S. S equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it is only one die. Suppose you roll 2 dice. 2 dice. Since each die contains 6 spaces marked with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The tree diagram. So now make, what is this? This is the dice. First one possible, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suppose once. But here he rolled 2 dice. Rolled on same times. Once, another one. So 2 dice rolled on same times. First one 1. First one 1. Suppose second one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And 2. First one outcomes 2, but second one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next one 3. First one 3 outcomes and second one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And first one 4th, second one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, first one 5, but second dice rolled outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And first one 6. Second one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we get the possible outcomes. First dice 1. Second dice 1. So 1, 1. Next. First dice 1, second dice outcome 2. It means 1, 2. First die 1, second dice 3. So 1, 3. 1, 3. Next 1, 4. 1, 5. 1, 6. It is the sample space. Next one 2, 1. 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Next one 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5 and 3, 6. Next one 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Next 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 6. and 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. Now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Here there are 36 possible outcomes. So number of S. What is n? Number of sample space is 36. Next, see the third one. When a coin, suppose you take one coin, you toss. There are two possible outcomes. One is head, another one tail. So we shall take H for head, T for tail. Here what is S? S is the sample space. So S is equal to H comma T, head or tail. Here we used 2 power m. This is the formula, 2 power m. What is m? M is a coin. A coin, it means only one coin. So we write here m value 1. 2 power 1, that is equal to 2. So it means outcomes is 2. Outcomes is 2. Suppose we take 2 coins tossing same times. So first coin head, second coin also head, or first coin head, second coin tail. So head, tail. First coin head, second coin tail. Now H T, we take H and T. Next H T, H T. Here first coin head, second coin also head, possible outcome, and first coin head, second coin tail. Next first coin tail, second coin head, TH. Both the coins are tail, T and T. Now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 possible outcomes. Now we use the formula 2 power m. Here tossing a coin is 2 coins. So m is equal to 2. 2 power 2. 2 multiply by 2 times to get 4. It means here 4 possible outcomes. Next, suppose we take 3 coins. 3 coins. You're tossing 1, 2, another one, 3. Same times. So 2 power m. We use this formula 2 power here m. M value tossing thrice. Thrice it means 3 times. 3 coins. So 2 power 3 means 2 multiply by 3 times. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8. There are 8 possible outcomes. So this is shortcut method. Half of 8 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write 4 times head and remaining 4 times we will write tail. First we will write 4 times head, next 4 times tail. Next half of this one, half of head, here 4 heads. So half of 4 it means 2. Next we take 2 head, next 2 tail. Repeat 2 head, 2 tail. Next one, half of, here there are 2 heads. So half of 2 heads it is 1. So next we take 1 head, 1 tail. We'll repeat. Head, tail, head, tail. So now it is put set. It is a set. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number of S, that is 8. There are 8 possible outcomes when a coin is tossing thrice or 3 times. That's all for the day. Students, you will get this worksheet. I have given you some simple sums like these types of sums. So do it and send your answer to the class 8 Maths NAPS group between 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Thank you.